this problem is just like what we did in 8th grade. You need to move your 20 over, and then you can divide by your 5. So the only difference is now we're adding that step of taking the square root. So we have a plus and a minus 2. This one is already set to equal to 0, so you could very easily check that in the computer. All right, these last two, we're going to add our 1. Now, I know this is a fraction, so don't freak out about that. You can do fractions in your calculator. 16 divided by 1/4 is 64. You can do that in your calculator. Take the square root, so x, remember, is a positive 8 and a negative 8. Now the same thing here. We're going to add the 12. This one is not a perfect square when we do this. You could divide by 1/2 or you divide by 0.5, either one. 60 is not a perfect square. So if you recall when we simplified radicals before, we put it in our calculator. And if you remember, pairs go out, singles stay in. So this is going to be x equals plus or minus 2 on the square root of 15. And you can put that in your calculator. You would have to move this 18 over to check it. So because whenever you're checking, you want it equal to 0. You will get some decimals, but you can make sure the decimals work. I would also like you to try 13, 14. You can try 15. Those answers are in the PDF answer key. So you can check yourself.